We have to start over. Oh, I'm going to have to roll up this yarn again and make it into a ball. This is my Kleenex cover, Kleenex box cover that I made. I crocheted this. And the granny square is called a cross in a granny square. It's got this very beautiful filigree work that I really like. And I made a border going across the top of each of these granny squares to make the square longer to cover the top of this Kleenex box. And the border that I have made is on my YouTube page, Tiffany's Crafts, and I will post that border in the description. Now this cover fits the Kleenex box tightly. The reason why is because I used yarn to act like elastic going across almost to the top and to the middle. And I did it in a way where the yarn that acted as elastic did not go through the filigree work, so you don't see that. And I have bows here that hold it tight. And I really like the bows. And if you want to make a cover and you don't want the bows to show, you can just turn it inside out and it wouldn't show. And you can use any type of granny square that you prefer. I chose the cross in the granny square, and I'm going to be making another one with a flower in the middle. I like how I made this with elastic, because if I wanted my cover to be bigger, I can do that just by loosening these bows.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. This is Scooby.
And for this cover, I did not make a bottom at all. But if you wanted to make a bottom for yours, for your cover, you could do that. And all you would do is crochet your granny square, and then you would use whip stitch to go along the bottom side of all 4 of your granny squares. Going across here, going down there. You could do that if you wanted to. I did use whip stitch to put together all these squares, and I have a video on how to whip stitch granny squares together, a very detailed video if you would like to see that, and that will be in the section down below where my video is.